We should be live. I'm gonna turn on this camera really quickly, and then we should be good to go. Okay, I just need to check the stream, and then we should be good. Copy, paste. Okay, give me a second, guys. Post in the Discord. Everybody join the stream via edgeful. Okay, there we go. We're good. Good morning, Lance. Good morning, everybody. Everybody join the stream via edgeful. Good morning, Andrew. Okay, so we have big news today. We have big news today. Massive news today. I'm gonna wait for more people to join the stream before I say that, but not good news. Very bad news. Yeah, so again, everybody join the stream via edgeful. Edgeful's channel. Edgeful's channel. Hold on. Everybody join. Edgeful just typed here in the chat, so everybody join that stream that I'm streaming. I'm gonna get to talking about what kind of we're in for today. Good morning, Dustin. Russia or Ukraine launched a NATO missile at Russia this morning, which is like really bad. So I'm looking for shorts. Yeah, really bad. Like, I don't think they had the U.S. NATO permission to do that, and they took one of the missiles that they got gifted to them and they used it. So we're gonna go for some shorts today. I'm looking for price to rebalance this range, which is what it's doing, and continue down lower. Alright, we trade into this 4-hour Sibi, wick into it, and then try to wick into it one more time, but we fail, and then we move lower. Can we consider 1 minute candle 910 as IOFED? Yeah, you can consider that as institutional order flow entry draw. Same with this one here. But yeah, no, that's very scary for what just happened this morning. What's up, Vega? Everybody join this stream via edgeful. Like, edgeful typed in chat. Just click that channel and join the stream there. I'm reading chat there. But yeah, that's scary, man. Definitely very scary. I am freezing in here. Like, I am really cold. I need to block the air because I don't know, for some reason it's blasting cold air in my room. Yo, Malik, you tell me there's a delay every stream. I know, bro. I told you I can't get the internet fixed until they come here, and they're coming. They're fixing it right now. Good morning, Zahid. How's it going? Moved to Florida with Pat. Florida, bro. Moving to the States in this situation is not the smart idea. But anyways, I think we're gonna be very bearish today. Uh, massive news. We're gonna tweet about it. NATO. Okay, I'm tweeting Ukraine bombed Russia with a NATO missile. Be careful today. How's it going, my man? Good morning, guys. Good morning, Shashank. Good morning, Abdikani. Good morning, Hezi. Everybody join the stream via edgeful. Yeah, I saw that, Zahid. No, Ukraine didn't just bomb Russia, Zahid. Ukraine bombed Russia with a NATO missile. Which is really bad. Like, whatever side of the war you're on, that you know that's bad. Good morning, BK. Again, everybody that's on my stream, join Edgeful stream. I'm reading chat from there. Good morning, BK. Good morning, Unknown. Okay, so let's kind of see what I see right now. We have this opening range gap, and we have these two SIBIs, but I'm paying attention to this this breaker up here. We got about 7 minutes till 9:30. What's up, Sharo? But yeah, this is a pretty dangerous morning. Good morning, Daniel. Join the stream via Edgeful. If you scroll up the chat, you'll see Edgeful's channel. You just click there. I'm reading chat there. Other than that, I'm pretty confident in shorts, so let's go for it. I'm going to look for shorts today. Again, it looks like it could be bullish because of this reaction, right? We just wicked down below that, and we're turning up higher. But I don't know. I don't want to look for a reversal just yet because, to be honest, that doesn't look like we want to reverse. Same with this price action. In just 6 months, you were $0 in profit. Now you're pushing 50K. As someone who's never gotten a payout, I'm trying to get on your level. Hey, bro, you don't know when it's gonna happen. Like, for all the people watching the stream that are not profitable, you don't know when it's gonna happen. You could randomly something click in your head and you start becoming profitable, and boom. You know what I mean? A week before I started getting my first payouts, I didn't know I was gonna get my first payouts. Right? So you could be a week away from being profitable if you just continue to do it. So every time you feel like you just don't want to trade anymore because it's not working, just realize you could be a week away. Caught the short before the upside reverse, but now I'm going down. Reason for insane volatility? Ukraine bombed Russia with a NATO missile. Very scary times right now. Yeah, I'm still looking for a short. I think we're going to continue up higher. Profitability is the most thing about risk management once you have the edge in your model. That's true. Dude, it's pretty easy to find an edge in a trading model. It's pretty hard to manage risk to give you your edge. He's been trading over 3 years. Nothing happens overnight, sir. Well, yeah, obviously. Nothing happens overnight, but you could be a week away. You know what I mean? So, if you're been trading for 2 years, 3 years, and you're still not profitable, you could be a week away from becoming profitable. But all I am gonna let you guys know is like, if you're if you're still in your first year, don't expect to be profitable. But let's wait for 9:30 to come. Took our previous day longs would be valid if I respect the city. Yeah, I think it's going to do that. I think we're gonna have a little bit of big manipulation and then move lower. Just for the sole purpose of like what just happened this morning. Yeah, but we're coming off yesterday of a like 9 RR win, so today I'm just gonna take it. I'm gonna take it slow. Look for a good short. I'm going to try to find a draw on liquidity. So, I mean, we have these lows. I think we're gonna draw to these relative equal lows. So I'll sell liquidity down there. I'll also draw out internal range sell side liquidity as well. And then we have buy side. Buy side liquidity. Do we have SMT on those highs? We do. Okay, yeah. Oh, we're selling off. When I pass an account, yeah, for sure. I've been trading for 2 years, and half years I haven't gotten a payout above $100, but it's like I haven't seen profitability in my model. I just have mentality. When I pass an account, I use to just go overboard and risk each trading is 8% mental, 20% skill. Yeah, bro. The number one thing that will change your trading is if you start being grateful. Like, be grateful for break even days. Be grateful for losing days that are only small losses. I used to just, when I had a losing day, I couldn't stand it. So I just keep chasing it until I either blew my account or made it all back. And now when I get a losing day and I close and I listen to myself, I'll come back onto the charts 4 hours later where the market's closed, and it's just, I'll be so happy. I'll be grateful that I did that. Same thing with winning. I used to only want like massive trades, but now I'll see a $200 winning day and I'll be grateful because that's better than nothing. And those small numbers really add up. Once you pass, just take it easy and trade usual. Don't increase size or change trading style. Exactly. Don't change the way you trade. By the way, guys, for the people on my stream, I'm letting you guys know that I'm streaming on Edgeful. I'm reading chat via Edgeful. So if you type in the name Edgeful on YouTube, you'll find that stream. Or if you go on my Twitter or the Discord, you'll see the link to that stream as well. But again, for the people who just joined the stream, we have major news. Russia or Ukraine just launched a NATO missile at Russia. What is Lockheed Martin at? Lockheed Martin is starting to climb up. Their dividends soon. Oh, don't we have Nvidia earnings coming up? Wednesday. Oh yeah, baby. That's tomorrow. We have Nvidia earnings tomorrow. Oh boy. Here we go. I totally forgot we have Nvidia earnings this week. But we have 930 coming up. I want to see 930 trade us into kind of this range and then move lower. Everyone says that learning a strategy is the easy part, but I'm struggling with making it my own. So, first of all, how new are you into trading? Second of all, you just need to study ICT enough. The easy part of trading, and it may seem hard, but the easy part is just watching a video every day of ICT and writing down notes. The hard part is continuing to show up while you're losing money. So yeah, just continue to watch ICT, write down notes, back test, forward test, download edgeful, right? It gives you an edge. You can use that towards your model. For example, I like how they give statistics about the opening range gap. We're going to see in play right now. How likely is it for the opening range gap to hit 50% and 100%? This green box is the opening range gap. And for 2 years, yeah. So just if you've had a model before that worked and then you changed your model because you had a bad week or 2 weeks, go back to that model, because I've had a bad month with this model that I'm using. Yeah, I'm still using it, and it's doing really well. What video or playlist should we start with ICT? If you're new, start with the ICT 2022 mentorship. That's what I recommend. 2022 mentorship is the bread and butter basics of ICT. So we're trading up higher at 930, which is a good look for manipulation. All right, we're about to trade into this breaker. We just did, actually. So we have this down close candle. I want to see how price respects this. If price disrespects this, then I might want to flip my bias bullishly. Most people, the hard part is consistency. Most people expect to see results in a week or month. Yeah, 100%. People get into trading expecting to see results in the first year. Like, if you get into trading knowing it's going to take a minimum of 2 years, but you still work anyways, then you're going to be profitable. But the part where the real work starts is when you know that you could become profitable anytime now. You've been trading for over 2 years, and you know you can become profitable at any time. So you continue to just put in that work. And once that happens, you get in a cycle where endless learning cycle. Look at that reaction off that 15-minute breaker. I'm going to look for a displace below low and an institutional or full entry draw. Do you have a video about your model? Yes, it's on my YouTube. I think it's something about like how I made like 23K in 1 month or something. I'm pretty sure it's the pinned video on my channel. But you just got to be consistent. You got to be patient. That's literally all it is, to be honest. It's showing up every single day on the charts and doing the exact same thing to the point where it takes a while. But at this point, I love trading so much. Like, when I see a good trade, I just can look at it for hours. And it's like I wake up and it's my favorite thing to wake up to. And when you feel like that, you just work endlessly for fun. And all these famous people, they talk about it. You find something that you love, not something that you want. Because something that you want, you can't work hard at. Something that you love, you don't feel like you're working at all. So you have to love trading. And it comes with time. So you see how we lack to displace below these lows? This is a clear, like, kind of a rejection level or support level to move higher. I want to see some sort of break below these lows and then a fair value gap and entry into the fair value gap to catch it a short. How's it going, B1? Let me pull out my phone. So we could get set up. But today, because I am up about, from yesterday, I'm up about like 2.5%, or 2%. I have 1% to risk today. And if that's in terms of risking two 0.5% trades, which is what I'm going to do. If I win one, then I'll get off. But if I lose one, I'll risk one more or two more if I cut the risk. But all I'm saying is I gave myself 1% risk, ideally 0.75% risk to trade with today. So we could get a good runner. Because if today is the reversal, if this is the high week, these lows are getting swiped, and I'm all in for it. Why is that? Well, because I won a lot, so the, this is something I found that helps me get on a boost. It's rare to happen, but when it does, it's worth it. Where when you win a big winning trade, and I risk just a little bit more, but I cap myself because if I get another big winning trade, then I'm just up, and then I calm myself down and I do go back to small trading, but now I have a big buffer. But I'm about to take my payout, so if I were to get a big winning trade one more time, that would give me a really big buffer. What tweet went viral? Why do I have so many followers now? Oh, okay, I see it. I was gonna say, like, what? How did I gain so many followers overnight on Twitter? Good morning, Jason. I know basic and little advanced level SMC, so which ICT I still recommend 2022. If you haven't watched 2022, you 100% need to watch that. Okay, so Nvidia's up almost 2%. Tesla's down, basically in the break evens. Right now, 2%, dude. What? Lockheed Martin up 0.8%. Nothing really crazy. The VIX is up 7%. Just pretty volatile. Dogecoin up 5%. Fucking Dogecoin, bro. But yeah, you can see we're rejecting off of that breaker. Which prop firms do you fund with? Top Step. I trade with Top Step. How does Reddit make money? Well, you can. It's kind of like Twitch, where you buy gifts, you watch ads. Yeah, so people buy gifts and like send gifts on posts. They make money via that. They make money via ads and promotional content. What did you do for work before doing full-time trading? I was a dishwasher and a cook. I washed dishes and I cooked meals for people. But right now I'm doing more than just trading. I'm not working, but I'm learning sales because I'm young and I think it's a great skill to have to learn. So my trying to learn my sales terminology. Please, Benjamin, help and guide me how I can pass the challenge. If you watch my streams and you take notes on what I'm talking about and you watch ICT's videos and take notes, you'll be profitable. There's only so much guiding can do until all you have to do is just, do the work, right? Just take notes. Study all things Zig Ziglar? What's that? What's Zig Ziglar? But we are moving higher still. We are rejecting off of that breaker. So it kind of tells me that that breaker is going to work. I'm looking at this low to get displaced below. I haven't caught a market structure shift trade in so long. Then this could be it, right? High, low, higher, high, lower, low. I haven't caught that type of trade in so long. I'm always just doing Rika structures and stuff. All right, it's 9:40. We have 10 more minutes until the macro. For the first challenge, how much do you recommend my risk? Well, how big of an account are you getting? Why do you have AI and algorithmic trading in your bio? Because I coded a automated trading algorithm that I'm planning on doing sometime. No, it's gonna take like a year, but I have an automated trading algorithm. Coded with ICT concepts. And it's also semi-automated as well, so you can have manual intervention into the algorithm. 50K and 100K. So for 50K, I recommend trading $250 a trade. Okay, so we're actually displacing above the first SIBI, and we traded into the higher SIBI. So I want to see some bearish rejection here, or I might want to reverse up to long. Great salesperson ever. The secrets of closing number one sales. Like, oh, I'll definitely check it out then. I have a sales mentor. His name's Tom. He owns his own sales company in the cybersecurity. He is the best salesperson I think anyone would ever meet. When I say that, I mean that. Like, he's a better salesperson than Alex Hormozy. He's better at sales than like, I'm not even kidding. This guy's the best salesperson I think I've ever seen online and in person. The deals he closes, man, 10 digits. He will definitely know who Zig Ziglar was then. Yeah. And then my trading mentor, the guy who mentored me into trading, he doesn't really trade anymore, but the guy who mentored me, Nick, he's also in financial sales. So both of my mentors, my sales mentor and my trading mentor, are both in sales. So, getting rejected? We are getting rejected off that level right now. Good morning, Xavier. How's it going? What's his at? What Tom's at? I'm not giving you guys that guy's at. He's so busy. He will not answer. He barely even answers my texts. He's also 50. And he's traveling the world. He's traveling the country. So many. Praise the Lord. Glad to meet Christian trader. Hey, thank you, my man. Yes, it's good to have Christian traders. So you can see that we're rejecting off of this 15-minute SIBI, but did we trade into that volume? No, there's a little inversion there that I'm keeping my eye on. Markets seem to not be crashing that much though. So it honestly looks like it wants to continue up higher. If we break this high, I'm flipping my bias long. All right, we break that high up here, and I'm flipping my bias long. Currently at regular trading hours, 50%. Yep, open range gap, 50%. See regular trading hours. So we trade up to 50%. I think we're going to move lower from here. We don't really need to go to 100%. Now, speaking of that, let's use a little bit of our edge in the markets. And what do I say by edge in the markets? Edgeful. We go to edgeful and we go to the opening. We go to futures, NQ, gap fill. Let it load. And then we're going to see statistics on how likely it is for the gap to fill 50% in the same day. So you can see this is a gap down. So 82% is 50%. Now if we go to 100%, there's still a 72% chance we're going up there. Up here. Whoops. But again, I think we're rejecting off of this SIBI when we're going to continue down lower. Oh, we did trade into here. So we also trade into that inversion. And we're wicking off of it. I think that's low. That is what I'm putting my eyes at. I want to see a displacement though. Because right now, price action is bullish. I want to see a shift in structure. Like an obvious shift in where price is directing to before I take anything. Majority of my losses are trying to take a high of a trade and without a displacement. But again, today could be a really good day. If we win today, I'm going to request another payout, and boy, oh boy, that's going to be great. The Art of Closing the Sale by Brian Tracy. I'll definitely check those out. I definitely will. Because I love sales. And again, we're lacking displacement, but the macro time frame hasn't even hit yet, so. You can see how the body's on the 1 minute respecting consequent encroachment as well on the inversion. Oh, we might get a displacement here. Need market structure shift. Yep. Where's Alex? She's sleeping. She's behind me in the other room. Okay, let's see if we can hold this displacement. Doesn't look like we can, so not in it yet. Looks like it's reacting off this 3 minute institutional overflow entry draw fair value gap. When you see her, be like, Zahid says Alien X is better. I definitely will. We were talking about you last night, Zahid. Okay, I want to see a fair value gap here. It trades into this inversion. I didn't even pay attention to that. $26. Okay. A little fair value gap here. Could get a short here. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. It closed the fair value gap, but we have that inversion. No, I'm just gonna hold on to it. Yeah, see, it's disrespecting consequent encroachment. I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna take that just yet, unless we closed here. Show some obvious sign of a reversal, then I'll do it. But we're lacking the displacement to the downside, so I'm just gonna hold off on it right now. Yeah, I'm not taking that trade yet. Enjoying your stream, brother. Been at it this for 6 years and still struggling. Been funded here and there, but lacking consistency. Past first combine for tops of have 6 days of 200, but lost the 7th. J Void. Oh, hold on. Give me a second. I think we could get an entry here. Look at that reaction on that inversion. I'm going to take it.
Order filled.
Look at that inversion fair value gap. This would be a massive trade, by the way, if we win this. Oh boy, yo, if we win this trade, guys. Mwah. Partial here. Great reaction so far. So let's go back to reading chat. But waiting for students. Ben, do y'all live together? Basically. So J Boyd, what I recommend is just going back, and if it's been 6 years, there's obviously something that you're trying to. I don't know this for sure, but I would say there's obviously something that, some corner that you've cut. Go back and do the research and figure out what it is. I'm gonna drag my stop loss really quickly because I'm already in profit by a lot. Stop loss is dragged to that high. What a great start on this trade. I'll get into a deep talk about that situation, J Void, in a second. I just need to focus on this trade real quick. How do you see profit trade? Profit trade? How do you see a profit trade? I don't. I have to anticipate it. By the way, oh. Okay, I'm going to pay attention to what price is doing here. Okay, so. Okay, my stop loss is dragged. So no matter what happens, we're still fine. Stop loss is dragged to above consequent encroachment of the inversion. So if we lose this trade, it's break even. I think we're going to drive lower from this SIBI here. So if you miss this, there's an opportunity to catch and short again here. You can see we just wick into it and we're trading lower. Just want to pay attention. This should be a very bearish SIBI. So if it does that, you shouldn't want to add into the trade yet. Wait for the candle close. See if the candle closes below consequent encroachment. Because this could be manipulation. Right, that could have been manipulation. Doesn't look like it wants to respect this trade, so yeah, I'm flipping my bias now because of this. That was a really good reaction, but instantly retrades it.
Order filled.
Okay, order filled. Break even. I'm flipping my bias. Look at this now, guys. Look at this. Look at that inversion. I'm gonna test this out.
Order filled.
If this trade loses, I'm gonna sit out and I'm gonna wait for price action to get a little bit cleaner. If this inversion fails, I'll be really surprised and confused on where we're going in price action. So I'll have to sit on my hands and wait till something presents itself. We have this SIBI as well. I mean BISI. Ben, do you journal? Yes. I go back into my streams when I end stream and journal later. And we have this BPR where price is kind of respecting. It's just taking a little bit to move up higher, so Market structure shift, fair value gap, BPR inversion. That's a pretty clean setup, man. Looking for Asian highs. It inverts it. Very confusing price action today. I want to see price displace up higher. If it doesn't do that, I'm going to take a contract off. I think it is going to rip up higher, though. I think it's just sloppy. It's trading into that volume imbalance down there, as you can see. 4-hour close in 5 minutes. Yep. Again, price is respecting that volume imbalance, but it doesn't look like it wants to. Looks like it wants to respect these inversions. Like, it looks like it wants to rip up higher, but it's getting rejected. And it looks like it wants to rip down lower, but it's also getting rejected. So we're just balancing in between two PD arrays right now. So I'm not going to, when we do that, my emotions may be high. I'm just going to sit back, sit on my hands and not touch anything. When you're balancing in between two PD arrays, you're very at risk of, if you close something early and you would have been right, you'll be emotional and then you'll chase. So best thing to do is just sit back on your hands. If you lose, if you lose, that means you're wrong. And if you win, that means you're right. So I'm literally sitting on my hands here. Because this is a small, if I lose this trade, it's a small loss. And the trade before that was break even. So we're Gucci. We're chilling. Or we could be in a 15-second BPR right now. Yeah, we are. We're trading off of a 15-second BPR. What about the 30-second? As well as a 30-second BPR. I'm sitting still. High time from just bearish, but current into shift bullish. You have great discipline, Ben. Thank you, Lance. You're gonna be great, brother. Thank you, bro. Listen, we're all gonna be great. We're all gonna be great because you guys are watching me early, and you're learning while I'm learning too, right? In 5 years down the line, when I'm streaming, hopefully, I'm already gonna be very experienced, so I won't really go as much insight. But while you're watching my streams, I'm also learning too right now. So you're learning while I'm learning, so you guys are going to be profitable as well. Okay, we have a BISI here. Hopefully this stays open. Very weird price action though. SIBI gets disrespected, then the BISI gets disrespected, and then it doesn't move lower and it moves up higher. So this kind of makes me want to say we're just going to continue up higher because of that manipulation wick down there. It trades into an order block. All right. $10 a.m. in 1 minute. Good reaction. I want to see a rip above this high at 10 a.m. $9.59 trading us into this BISI, and then 10 a.m. ripping us above these highs would be the best, most clean, obvious long entry. I'm not gonna lie, ever since I started paying attention to US politics, I started talking like this. Like bro, I started using my hand gestures more. Okay, so 9.59 trades into the BISI. Also into that BISI there and the inversion. Now 10 a.m. should just move us higher. If that happens, I'm very confident in the trade. Right? Bodies respect consequent encroachment. So it doesn't look like 10 a.m. wants to rip us higher, but it looks like there's a high possibility of, not a high possibility, there is a possibility we could respect consequent encroachment even with this big S candle. Doesn't look like it though. I think as long as we survive this 10 a.m. open manipulation, we'll be okay. This trade is not good though. Should have moved higher from this fair value gap. Oh, do you consider open, high, low, close for new 4 candles? Yeah. Yeah, I'm probably going to get stopped out here. Unless we don't form a low on this candle and we just rip up higher. Very confusing price action right now. That's very close to my stop. I'm still in the trade, which is nice. By the way, TopStep refunded the account. I accidentally bought because I didn't use it. I don't need combines, and I accidentally bought a combine. So I just wanted, from last stream, I told you guys about that. I want to let you know that they just messaged me and they said they will refund back to my credit card. So for the people that were in the stream yesterday. Yeah, it doesn't look like a winning trade to me, guys. But now my bias is bearish. I'm going to wait for a cleaner setup, a better fair value gap, though, if I want to flip my bias to bearish. Like, look at that order block, though. Other than
Order
that, we still
filled.
have one trade nested in here that I can take. Yeah. Sloppy price action. So I'm going to wait for a displacement either up or down. Inside the initial balance of the first 15-minute, no direction. Yep. Of course, Daniel. But that doesn't mean I'm just going to close it early. You got to be disciplined. And I set my stop loss for a reason. I set my take profit for a reason. And I wait for it to go hit it. Again, I think we're going to go down to sell side just because of this reaction now. So I'm not going to really touch any more longs today. I think that 10 a.m. direction just confirmed us bearish. This is a price action turning rough, so I don't want to see displacement below these lows. Bro, you're not serious. This is a really odd price action. It's turning sloppy. So, but what does that mean? It's a reversal, right? Price is turning rough. Yeah. No worries, Jason. I know. Again, waiting for some sort of displacement. It's a shame I just got tapped out of this trade because it's trading up higher. Could have closed at break even. a little sloppy right now. I think we need a displacement at some point. That's a shame. Looks like it wants to move bullishly now. That's a shame. I just get stopped out. Shouldn't have been in the trade anyways because that's clearly not their level. 2 times 1 over the 830 forms a large range of New York open high resistance liquidity run until the 1050 1110 macro. Maybe. Well, looks like it. They may go for the opening high before coming back down, possibly. I think right now is a really good point on a reversal. That could be the last manipulation wick, and then we trade lower. But we just need volatility. We can't really do anything when there's no volatility in the markets. If it's just chop, chop, chop. So that's a good reaction. Displacement below these lows and held displacement would be good. Any trades taken today? One loss, Vitus. One loss so far. So I'm looking for shorts, man. I just don't know what price is doing right now, so I'm sitting on my hands. Well, I don't know what it wants to do. That looks like a big wick, so it looks like we could move higher. Because we wick below sell side. This could be the low of the week. Tuesday low of the week. If it's not going to go to sell side, if it's not going to move lower, then this would be the low of the week. But there's no speed. So there's nothing I can do. Tesla's back up into the positives. Nvidia's up almost 2%. Subscribers we at 733. You guys are insane. If you are new to the stream, please make sure to subscribe. So you know when I'm live. I stream every single day I trade. And prices just chop. Just gonna be patient here. Whole stock market is red? No. What are you talking about? Oh, it is. But except everything that I'm in is doing pretty well. Oh wow. 53%? What is this? What market is that, bro? The VIX is up 8%. Wow. What is Bitcoin at? 92K. I took perfect long in the 850 macro. 1:5. Nice. Again, very choppy price action, so I'm going to wait for something to... a displacement to either side, to be honest. Does look like it wants to continue up higher, though. Could have. Like, I barely got stopped out there. That's such a shame. Again, price action is very boring right now. The reality of trading. When price action is choppy and stuff like this, it's boring. Just wait for something to happen. Something to present itself. I entered long on the adjustment at 10:02, first percent fair value gap. Nice. Paying attention right here. There's no speed. There's no speed to this upside. I don't want it. There's a lack of something. We have a 5-minute busy, but that's probably going to get closed, to be honest. Yeah, as long as you're properly managed with that risk, then you're fine. What is ES saying? It's also in a SIBI. Looks like it wants to trade lower as well. But there's no speed. There's no speed. There's no speed in the markets, so I'm just gonna be patient. Okay, we could have a displacement here. There's a low there. There we go. Just leave that fair value gap open and we will be good. Alright. What will that say? It's a very small trade, so I won't risk too much. Oh, no fair value gap. Interesting. Very interesting price action today. The short was looking really good. When I entered into show off that inversion, it instantly just started ripping lower. It looked really good, but then it just chopped after that. I'm not short yet, Zahid. I'm not in a position. I think it could go either way right now. My bias isn't long. We didn't just have a choose to do it long. Just an opportunity, not the kind of trade I'd take. So it's half. You should cut risk on that then. Like, if you full risk that type of trade, then you shouldn't have done that. Yeah, your risk is cut hard, so you're fine. See this little BPR kind of thing. That looks cool. But we're just chopping, man. We're just chopping. Very choppy after 9:30, yep. Just chop, 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 chop. Okay, there's some speed to the upside here. It's a shame I got stopped out because I'd be in big profit right now, but like... I think buy side first, possibly. Just the lack of displacement, man. It's interesting. That That looks like a manipulation wick. We wick up, take a high, and then move lower. Oh yeah, the display's below that low, and that's clean. I'll take that short. Oh. But I need some speed. That's what I need is speed. $30 seconds. Yeah, 15-minute looks bearish. Looks like we want to continue down lower. It was just the 1 minute that wasn't. We don't have SMT on this little move though. 11 seconds. We're finally picking up some speed after that 1 minute manipulation wick. So let's see what happens. Let's see if we can hold this displacement. Can we hold this displacement? What would this trade be? 4RR. Don't mind if I do. But I'm not in it yet, guys. Don't worry. I'm just calculating risk. It doesn't look like it wants to hold the displacement, so I'm not going to get in it, bro. Yeah, dude, this price action is disgusting. I don't know if I'll get another entry. Very interesting price action. Regular trading hour breakout only left trade low. Yeah, I think I want to look for a displacement below these lows for a bigger type of swinger, more intermediate term trade. Ben, question. What's your question, Zahid? If you say the wrong answer, I'm out. Okay. What's the question? Did you see the question? If I didn't cut my wrist, Ben would probably get here and smack me. Definitely. No, I don't. I don't see the question. What? You can type it again. I don't think the question's showing. Try typing it again. Still looking downside, brother? Yep, same, Jason. Just waiting for a displacement. Yeah, I don't think I can see the question. I think it's YouTube's not letting it send. I don't know what kind of question you're asking for YouTube to block it out. That's so funny. Look at this. I tweeted at somebody, you know my tweet about this, and this guy goes, I understand it now. Thank you, God. Thank you, Web3. Thank you, Forex. Nothing possible. Beginning of this year, I had $0. Now I still have $0. That's crazy. Right under my tweet, too. As long as we remain below the 200 EMA, I don't know. I don't use EMAs. Bash on my bears. I don't use VWAPs either. I, I I see where you're coming from, but I just don't know that logic. So I'm gonna delete the screenshot after you read it. Oh, did you post it in Discord? Oh, you did. Okay. I'm gonna go with the first one, Zahid. I'm gonna go with the first one. Again, this is just choppy price action. We just need a displacement, bro. Like, this is just. I'm not trying to fight an entry in this range. What do you mean, no way? Everybody's answer is the first one. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? That was okay. I'm here to gain insight from you. Hey, and maybe I could gain some insight from you, my man. Maybe I can get some. Listen, I gain insight from streaming too because there's some good traders that hop in my streams, and I learn a lot. So, yeah, but nah, both of them are. I don't know what you're talking about. I think PM might be the move today, possibly. Very possible. I think I might accept a losing day today. If we don't get a good, I'm going to wait for like an A plus trade. I'm not going to catch a fair value gap in this range. So the only high or lows I want to see taken are this high and this low. These two, a displacement above or below these, and I might look for something. But again, price is just being choppy. Just being nasty price action. It's nothing I want to really pay attention to. Come back stronger in the PM, yeah. We're consolidating between 20 fit, 580 and 2512. Yeah, it's just, bro, we've been in this range for so long. Since 9:30. And you know what? It's kind of expected, right? We had a large range in the AM, trace, and then consolidate. But I think a displacement below these lows could give us a great opportunity for a long short, like a big short. But Tesla's up 1%. Nvidia's up 2%. I wanted to go back up to all-time highs, though. To be honest. But I think, earnings is going to be good. Took out 9% of your trade goods, Zahid. It's not really high probability. Other than that, I mean, so far we only have one loss. But we had a big win yesterday and Friday, so. What's Bitcoin at? 91K, almost 92K. Very boring price action. Once some volatility picks up, I think we could find an opportunity to catch a trade. By the way, internet guy, they finally fixed the issue, so there will be no more delay, I'm pretty sure. No more delay on my personal streams. When I stream on my channel, there'll be like a millisecond, like a 1 second delay starting the next stream. But I'm streaming on Edgeful again tomorrow. You know what, Ben? I traded this day and I remember where London and New York was large range sessions, and I was trading the last hour, and it was just consolidating the whole time, and I ended up losing the trade. Yep, listen. That's where repetitions come. When you trade for long enough, then you learn things like that. how I love days like this. Oh, we have a displacement to the upside. We have a displacement to the upside. Price action is looking bullish. But do we close this fair value gap? Doesn't look like it wants to respect it. I'm going to wait. I'm going to sit out. But you didn't lose this one? Good, Zahid. Even if it does go up, listen, you'll get another trade eventually. That's why you guys should back test. Exactly. Can you please increase the volume? The volume? I look back into my VODs. Jason, my volume is loud. I don't know what it is. And it's only you asking about the volume, so I think you might have like speaker issues or headphone, if you're using headphones, headphone issues. They did keep this displacement. So what would this look like? What type of trade would that look like? That would be 20. I'll do a small risk here. I'm not in this trade yet, but I'm going to. Because it looks clean. Looks like it's going to get respected. I'm going to take it. Yeah.
Order filled.
All right. And long. You go up the buy side. Stop loss down at this low. I think I'm going to add one more position onto it as well. Once we break out this top range. But this is my last trade. Because that looks like a good respect on that trade. I just want to see it fly up higher. Highs have not been taken on ES either. See where this candle closes. I might add one more position.
Order filled.
Okay, decent reaction. Okay, I'm anticipating a partial here at these relative equal highs. Okay, so it's one contract off and a drag to break even. And then next partial here, next partial up here. Maybe check your own headphones. Yeah, volume's fine. People are saying the volume's fine. Good morning. Good morning. Quality stream. No problem at all today. Yeah. Stream's been pretty good so far. So the internet's good. I think the delay I can fix. Other than that, we're pretty good. Great reaction so far on this trade. I'm pretty glad I got into it again. All right. Looking for those highs. Good long. Just because of my risk, I'm going to drag my stop loss. Actually, no. I'm going to keep it under consequent encroachment. Yeah, no, it shouldn't go down here. If this BISI holds, it should not go back down to that low. So once this candle closes, I'm going to drag my stop loss to that low. Made your loss back already? Nice, my man. Yeah, I'm dragging my stop loss to that low because we're closing that displacement. We shouldn't do that. So my stop loss is basically break even right now. It shouldn't go down here. It could go to this lower BISI though. There's a little BISI there. All right, you see this small little BISI here? That could drive price up higher. I'm going to clean up the charts a little bit. Right, look at what is resting just above buy side liquidity. These relative equal highs is the top of the opening range gap. Spool, baby. Okay, I want to see some just bullish price action. Volatility to the upside here. It's 10:30. Price should not play any more games. We broke out the consolidation range. We should get into low resistance liquidity run territory. I'm going to get ready to take my partial because we're going to continue up higher. Hopefully. I take one partial and then I drag to break even if we hit that buy side liquidity. And then the rest is a runner. So that if this partial will kind of make majority of my loss back. And then I'll drag to break even and we'll be in it for a runner. Holy volatility, yep. Today has been a very volatile day. Look at that. That is disgusting though. You're in, nice that rush. Hopefully you guys eat. Hopefully we all eat on this long. I'm getting ready to take my first partial up here. And then dragging to break even. I'm already basically at break even, but I'll drag to under this Civvy so I get a little bit of profit. I mean BISI. Again, we're close. One more push up, and then I'll take it. But 10 seconds till the new candle. It wants to. It's testing it, though. It's testing. She's getting tested. It's going to do it on this candle. Oh, it's playing with me. Oh, I just spat everywhere. It's playing with me, bro. It's playing with me. Oh my gosh. If this trade, I'm basically already at break even. If this trade loses, I'm going to be fairly upset. But that's a test. It's a test. I'm not worried. That's a test. We're going up to those relative equal highs. Just trying to get out because we didn't take it on ES as well either. So it wants to take out some positions. It wants to scare people out of getting out of their trade early, and then it's going to take it. I've seen this too many times. they're scaring people, saying, "Oh, it's just gonna tap my take profit. It's not gonna actually hit it. I'm gonna close," and they close at a bad point, and then they go up and hit the take profit. It's probably gonna go up on this candle. Too many times they try to do that and fool me with that. And too many times I fell for it and took profit way too early. Now I learned my lesson. Just got to stay cool, calm, and collected. $20. Come on. Waiting. Don't you dare go to my stop. What is chat saying? I think we might go to the daily Sibby. It's taking shorts from. It's taking in shorts from resistance. Yep. And then it's gonna blow past it. If people are like, "Oh, short," because of the resistance, and then it's gonna break right past it. There it is.
Order filled.
First partial hit. Dragging a break even. And we're good. The rest is moolah up here. Stop loss drag below this low. And we're good. We're in it to win it. We're in this trade. I want to see some speed picking up to the upside here. Yeah, that is a smart move. Daily Sibby, which is the previous day high, which is my draw on liquidity. Right here. Daily Sibby. I'm thinking of setting break even. We took buy side liquidities, a form of buy side liquidity, so I would do that. What a gross candle in the 1 minute. Yep. Disgusting. How divide out of the first partial? I got 1/4. Quarter out. Direct to break even. The rest is a runner. New day opening gap taken. Yep. Nice. Again, if you're new to the stream and you like what you're watching, please subscribe. It helps me, and if you turn on notifications, you'll know every single time I'm streaming. I stream every single day. I trade. I also stream on Edgeful, which is what I'm streaming on right now. So yeah, it'll help me a lot if you subscribe. Let's see what we're at right now. 735. Also, my goal is 1,000 before the end of the year, and so far we're cutting it close. So hopefully that could be a nice Christmas gift. Again, we are continuing up higher above these relative equal highs, which is a good look. Patience. I want to see more speed to the upside after taking these relative equal highs. I don't want to see price slow down. All right, we have this BISI here that price could be trading to, so we're fine. We could still have a losing day today. If I get stopped and break even, I'll be like negative $100, which is fine. $100 is nothing. Keep this up here. We are staying relatively bullish, so. Still bullish. Just being patient. Alright. That's not a good look. It's a displacement after taking relative equal highs. So, but we are trading into this 5-minute SIBI. Again, what they're doing is they're doing fast speed to the downside to scare people out of their positions. But in reality, it's just trading into a higher time frame PD array. I'm not getting scared. I'm not scared out of my position. I'm sitting back and I'm cool, calm, and collected. And I know that if this trade does go and hit break even, it's nothing. It's really isn't anything. I'll come back tomorrow. Tesla's up 2%. Nvidia's up 2%. So the market's starting to flip. We look at the heat map, things are starting to turn green and gray. Still relatively red though. But I still think our drawn liquidity is that previous day high. 1 hour SIBI, 4 a.m. highs, next 15 formation should deliver, hopefully. Oh damn, it hit my 25 points already, nice. Alright, Ben, that trade I took, I got 4R on it, and I'm out. Nice, my man. Clean. Okay, so you can see it's respecting that SIBI, as well as that inversion. So if it disrespects this, then we're in it to eat. We're going to eat this trade. If price on the 1 minute disrespects a SIBI, a BPR here, this is a really strong BPR, right? This inversion, breaking this high, is strong. If price disrespects this, we're about to eat our trade. I'm going to drag my stop loss just below that low. Oh boy, we're about to eat, guys. Everybody grab your popcorn. Clean entry. Thank you, Debraj. Grab your popcorn and enjoy the show because we're about to eat. I'm about to get another big win just before I take my payout out. Let's go. I'm looking kind of swole today. Sit back and relax, guys, because we're about to eat again. 3 days in a row of just eating. 5-minute IOFED. Yep. 5-minute institutional order flow entry drill. We're about to eat, guys. This is about to rip. This is about to rip up higher. Oh, I'm so in it. I'm so excited for this. I'll sit on the 5-minute and watch it. New 15-minute candle. Could trade down into this inversion and move higher, but I don't think it will do that. I think it's going to just low resistance liquidity run up higher. I don't like how it's doing that though, but it is reusing this inversion. And that, see, so another BPR. Again, it's touching into. This new 15-minute should rip us higher. If it doesn't, then maybe we don't eat, but I think there's a pretty high possibility that we win another massive trade today. Any 15-minute candle. Let's see it. Also 11 a.m.'s coming too. I'm going to drag my stop now to this low here because there's no point on not having that. Ben, flex for a sec. You want me to flex? I'm not pumped, so you can't see anything. There's nothing to see. It's just a bunch of fat. Look at 1 hour. Do you see any bearish order flow? No. It's all up from here. We're breaking bullish structure. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. We're going to rip. This is all bullish. This is bearish, but we inverted that and disrespected that. So I think we're about to rip up higher and we're about to have a good win. Good win today. $600. Come on. 620 plus negative 195. Oh boy, guys, I'm about to cash out on this payout, guys. 3-minute change state delivery with this closure. Yeah, we're about to fly. Look at this. This hourly breaking this high. We're about to rip. I might drag my stop to that low. So we shouldn't really go back to that. I'm going to drag it just below that low because we could tap it, but I don't want to see price go back to it. Okay, winning day no matter what today. We made our loss back. If we get stopped in profit, we're a little bit of a winning day no matter what today. This is gonna be a massive trade. So far, this is what it's looking like. We're gonna have a 7-hour trade. This is the trade that we took, by the way, guys. So if we win this, it's 7-hour on top of a 9-hour that we had before that and 10-hour that we had on Friday. So I'm eating. We're going to rip up higher anytime now. 1050 macro to 1110 is going to drive us higher. Just like Debraj said. Debraj said how, or was it Debraj or Zahid or someone else talked about how 1050 to 1110 is going to start bringing volatility. Oh, and today's chest and back day. Oh, it's such a good day today. We literally have the same entry. Nice. All right, great minds think alike. Well, Ben, why do you not enter before the 930 low, high, low formed at the lows? You're talking about right here? Because that wasn't my bias wasn't bullish until we did this. I was still bearish. I was bearish around this area, but when we broke this high, I was bullish. Like when we broke this high, I was bullish. Because one of the main things that I see that is a problem in some people's trading is they set a bias in the morning and they stick to it. That's not true. Price changes. You know, you could be bearish starting off, but if something happens in price action, flip your bias. I entered off the first order block. Been a chop fest? Yeah. Been a chop fest since that, so hopefully your patience pays. Hopefully you already took partials, so your patience did already pay. Other than that, I mean, like, we're just in it to win it here. Just gotta be patient. That's all it is. Patience pays, guys. Patience pays. Where's my drawn liquidity? Previous day high. Just joined. Sorry, no worries, my man. Welcome. How's it going, Kiko? Man, and don't apologize. You can ask me questions. I don't have that many viewers to the point where I constantly need to match everything, so you can ask me whatever. Man, I have struggled a lot with this one. The bias can change at any time in the early 4 hour. Yeah, so people are too tunnel visioned on their biases. Nvidia's ripping higher. I love it. So when you see something in price action that should flip your bias and you don't flip it, then you're just being tunnel visioned on what you said earlier. That's not being disciplined. Hello. Oh my gosh. Look here. Look who just made me a sandwich. You want to get in?
Hey guys.
Damn, look at this. Mushrooms, avocado,
Cucumber, tomato, chicken,
cheese,
garlic,
arugula. That looks so good. Thank you.
and mushroom coffee.
And a coffee? Thank you. We're about to win a big trade, by the way.
Good.
Yeah. Ooh, it's
Bye
hot.
guys.
Yum. That looks so good. Let me muck this sandwich. What strategy is that, bro? How do I learn? ICT, Smart Money Concepts. Oh my. I know she's a keeper unknown. I don't like that reaction. I don't like that reaction. Did I get my stop loss here? Stop loss is here. See, it wicks into that fair value gap. I don't like that. It should continue up higher. Bro, she's a keeper, man. Is winning on and off the charts. Thank you, guys. Yeah, dude, I tell her that all the time. I was like, sometimes she's upset because I go to sleep at 9:30 p.m. And she's like, I want to watch a movie or something. I was like, listen, you want to move to Italy and go on vacation? You got to let me do this. And she's like, fine. But now the sandwich is insane. No hems. Sorry. Just because a lower time frame market structure shift happens does not mean we're going to be shift to structure, right? You look here, market structure shift, BPR, balanced price range, inversion, and regular fair value gap. I didn't shift structure. We traded into it, and we traded above it. It's only at specific times where price does that. Like if it's a specific time and it takes liquidity, then I'll flip my buys. It just gave me, hold on. It just gave me the same vibes when ICT's wife comes in the stream and says, "Don't come. Don't you see me handling 5 contracts?" Fuck, yo. I love ICT, man. He's hilarious. Do you have any rule of thumb to differentiate market structure shift and turtle soup? Well, market structure turtle soup is I don't really trade turtle soup, so I don't really want to speak on it. Italy's beautiful, yes it is. So I don't know if I can answer that, Lorianne. I mean, market structure shift and turtle soups are two completely different things. This sandwich is insane. So think about how 3 years ago I was a fat piece of shit with no friends and nothing, playing video games. And now I'm winning a 7-hour trade, and I just got a sandwich. It's pretty nice. Yeah, that was Zahid. Alright, my man. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next stream, hopefully. That sounds just like me right now. Hey, Zahid, you're going places. I know you are. Alright, thank you, Zahid, for stopping by. I'll see you in the next one. Or unless you stop by like you always do. You always say you're out, and then you come back 20 minutes later if I'm still live, and you say, "You still live?" Oh. Turtle soup is all I trade, but there has to be SMT with ES for me to take an entry. SMT is really strong. Not yet. Not yet, mind your biz. Almost. We're all just chill guys. We're in this long, by the way, to win it. This thing's going to take profit. Daniel, or Jason, I know you're here. My hands are so greasy. But I was thinking about right after 9:05. No, form. What do you mean by that? Low, high, lower, low? Lower, high, lower, low form? What's lower, high, lower, low? Break structure? 4-hour busy. We're trading off of that, Bissy, yeah. We're in a 4-hour civvy right now, though. So just gotta be careful. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Sorry, guys. Mm-mm-mm. That was good. What is the profit number? How big is this trade? I'm sorry if you can hear me. Right now we're 600 bucks in profit. Take profit's 1,200. What made me enter into the trade? Right here. Market structure shift, fair value up. Or not. Yeah, market structure shift. Displacement above this consolidation range. Institutional or full entry, Joe. Respecting consequent encroachment. What am I trying to get to? Previous day high. Which I'm pretty confident we're going to. Way higher than that. 27. 725. Three-minute looks beautiful. You love the 3-minute, eh? You always trade the 3-minute, airbrush. What number is that? 2725. It's right here. 20,725. No worries. This trade was honestly easy money, yeah. No, I'm not going to say that. I'm actually going to counter you on that. This trade was not easy money. Look at this price action before it. It was kind of a risk to take this. It was pretty obvious that this was the fair value gap that's going to react, but it was pretty hard to stay through this. It was very boring. Video up 3%. Nice. Let me check my wealth simple. Oh yeah. We're up big time. Just don't have SMT. Yeah, we didn't really have that much SMT today. Still taking a while to displace, man. It's been in this range for a while. Would like to see some speed to the upside. Strong candles, long tell a story. If you have strong downward candle, but it wicks up, that is weak displacement. I like to see a candle close. That's how I look at it. Bro, every ICT trader had a red one or break even day today. You the only one printing? Congrats. Hey, thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Tuesday. It's Tuesday. And we're winning, brother. I feel bad for that guy. If you know, you know. Hey, what can I say? I'm consistent. I'm kidding, I don't have an ego. Listen, I had a losing day when they had winning days, so everybody has a losing day, everybody has a winning day. But thank you. Where's my stop loss at? Stopped in. It's not even. It's a stop profit, and it's at this low. Finally picking up some speed, which is nice. We're just pushing towards that previous day high mark. Oh, never mind then. It's a wick. We're getting there though. We're past halfway. In short, was SMT logic low? SMC logic? Yeah, short was smart money concept logic, but I'm also smart money concept and I took a long. So, mooning. That's right. This trade is winning. 737 subscribers, bro. You guys are crazy. Ideally, I want to get to 800 before the end of November. If that can happen, we can hit 200 subscribers in 1 month. We can do that. We can do that. I'm confident. So we are just not wanting to move lower. I mean, move higher. I think it's just a patient game. It's taking a while. It's just going to be slow. Let me tweet. Currently in a 7RR win. So many. I've been having such big RR wins recently. I don't know what it is. Long was ICT logic for sure, yeah. We are moving higher now. So that's nice. $2.6 RR, nice, Sharo. Be grateful for every little bit of profit, and they all add up, I promise you. They will all add up. Patience, 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 guys. Patience is where it pays. I'm gonna drag my stop loss a little bit higher now. Drag it up to here. We shouldn't go down here. We shouldn't even go here, to be honest. Might want to drag it even higher. It's right here. Do you trade on top StepX platform? Yes, I do, Enigma. How much do you risk per trade on a live account? On a live account, so not a combine. On my 5 live accounts, I trade, which are 150K each. I'm trading a $500 to $600 risk. Can you link top StepX trading, dude? No. I think you can't. No, you can't. He can't. They don't have it. I can link my interactive brokers though. Weeble, yeah. Okay, I'm paying attention to that Sibby there. But it also traded into this BIST, so that should get disrespected. Top Step does have Trade of 8, but I don't use Trade of 8. I use Top Step X. Just patience, guys. Patience pays. That's what I learned, and that's what we're doing. Are you trading your 550Ks right now? Yep, I'm just about to get a payout. I'm eligible for a payout on 3 of my accounts. I need one more winning day. If this is a winning day, I need one more winning day on my 2 new ones that I passed this last week. So, yeah, I just want to build a big enough buffer to take payouts. I'm not going to take a payout. If I get the 1 or 2 more winning days on those 2 new accounts I just passed last week, I'm not going to take a payout on those because I don't have a big enough buffer. I like to have a massive buffer to be able to do that. I don't like to just get my payouts right at like as soon as I hit my profit goal. That's not what I like to do. So if I told myself this week, if I make 3% more, I will take a payout, and if I win this trade, that's 3%. That's like 4%. So I'll be able to take a payout and still hold like 7K in profit each account because I have to take 50% off, and right now I'm pushing 14K in profit each account. So it'd be like I'll take 7K USD out of 150K, so 7K times 3, that would be 21,000 USD converted to Canadian. 40,500. So it'll be another 40K. That will push me up to like 70,000 in payouts. So you can tell why I'm really happy that we're winning this trade, because if we win this trade, it'll be a big day for me. We might retrace here in the video, top hourly for value gap. NVIDIA, I don't think so, man. Like, I'm so confident on the strong liquidity, right? Sometimes when you're in a trade, you're always trying to look for the worst. Like, when is it going to reverse? When is it going to reverse? Sometimes you just got to sit back and relax, you know? Understand that if price wants to move lower and take out this sell side liquidity, it's going to tap into the daily SIBI first. And that's where I think it's going. $70K is crazy. Thank you, man. What size buffer do you like to leave? Major buffers. Like, I don't like... How do I say this? Maybe... Hold on, I need to figure out... What's 20% of 150K? 30K. So maybe like a 10% buffer. 10% account size buffer. So I'll make 20% and then take out 10%. What would make you worried on this trade? Nothing. Because I'm dragged in profit. But if I wasn't, what would make me worried? Honestly, dude, I can't figure out anything that would make me worried. Maybe just a massive displacement really fast out of the blue randomly down to here. Like, if this candle displaces really fast down here, I'd be like, oh, whoa, what's going on? It's an obvious change in state of delivery. But again, I'm still like decently confident in this trade. New 15-minute candle coming. 10 seconds. You just have to be patient, you know. 737 subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you for the subscriptions. Let's get it. We're about to eat today, guys. If you are new to the stream, please subscribe. It'll help a lot, and turn on notifications to know every single time I stream. I stream every single day that I trade, so I'm never trading off stream. It's 11:15 right now, so it's pretty late. I'm usually not on stream this long. 2-hour mark has been hit. Continuing to stay in this trade though, fellas. First profitable ICT trader. There's a lot of ICT traders I know that make a lot of money. But right now, all the money I'm making is going back into the markets and going for retirement and first home buying savings accounts. Because I want to save up to move out. I still live with my mommy because I'm 18. I'm going to live here for a while to rack up as much money as possible, put as much money in the markets before this 2024 to 2028 president or elect run. I think the market's going to fly. And yeah, just being patient. Taking time slowly. 738 subscribers. Thank you, my man. Whoever subscribed there. But this has been a good good past 3 streams, to be honest. Been pretty confident, and I've been winning a lot, which is nice. Do you have a mentor or teach yourself with content? I don't have a mentor anymore for trading, but I had multiple mentors. A girl named I'm Backtest Jess. You should probably know her. She's pretty famous. Her and a guy named Nick. Nick was my main mentor though. Nicholas De Jesus. He really helped me. He helped teach me, mentor me throughout my studying of ICT, and he created a monster. And now we're working on a project together. Oh, my camera died. I didn't even notice that. No one even noticed that on stream either. I was just yapping too much. I'm plugging in right now, guys, so okay, give me a second. Okay. Plugged in. We're good. We should be good to go. Let me just quickly deactivate, quit, activate, and we're good. You were 18. When did I start trading? When I was 14. Was ICT the only person you studied and learned from? Yes. I didn't study anyone else's concepts. I got mentored by 2 other people. I'm telling you guys now, from the bottom of my heart, the most important thing. Do you think that you will achieve millionaire status by next year? Hopefully. Anything can happen. If it's part of God's plan, it'll happen. The number one most important thing in trading and in life in general, and I'm telling you guys this from the bottom of my heart, go find a mentor. Go surround yourself with people that are better than you. If you surround yourself with people that aren't and that bring you down, you're not going anywhere. You need to surround yourself with people older, more wise, smarter, richer, more advanced than you, and you will succeed. I'm telling you guys this now. It's so important to find a mentor. And that's in person, in real life, somebody to go to the gym with, somebody to look up to, not a friend, a mentor. And how I did that, to do that, is you have to go put yourself out there. You can't just expect one or just ask people. People ask me to be their mentor all the time. And it's just, you don't just DM someone and say, hey, can I be your mentor? Go reach out, show that you're worthy of their time, right? The only reason why Nick was my mentor is because I showed him that I will stay up all night. I'll wake up early. I'll be consistent. I'll go on a diet. I'll work really hard. And after a few months of him seeing me do that, he's like, all right, I'll give you my time because you're going to be really good one day. And he gave me his time. So it's really important to don't just ask. Don't just type and expect something. You have to go out there and grab it. You have to go out there and work really hard to find a mentor. And once you do, you have to listen to him or her. And then you will see profitability in anything in life. And we're pushing up higher, but it's very slow. So I'm going to drag my stop up here now. We shouldn't go there. So my stop is dragged here. Listen, I've had my mentor since I was 15 years old, 14 years old. I'm 18 now, and this is where I am. So imagine where you guys could be in a couple of years if you find a great mentor. I mentored a guy named Rex Lee. I don't know where he went. He kind of went ghost on me. I don't know what happened, but he was unprofitable, and he passed his first toss-up account and got a payout. I guess something happened to that live account where he felt too guilty to come find me again or talk to me again, and that was it. That's the end of the story. We're looking at this, right? This could drive price lower, so I'm just being careful. But again, I'm still confident in this 5-minute chart. Like, it shouldn't go below that order block here. My stop is here. We're going to continue up higher. Ooh, we're almost at 740 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. You guys are insane. You guys are actually insane. I can't believe how much I've grown in this past few months. And it just every time I wake up and I look at my YouTube, I'm just so proud of where it is at. And listen, I'm no different from you guys. All right. And I'm telling you this now. I'm literally no different from you guys. If anything, I started in a worse position from everybody else. I'm 18, Maz. I started in a worse position from majority of the people watching the stream. I'm literally no different from you guys. You guys can achieve everything I achieved and more if you just don't cut corners. You just purposely put yourself in the hardship. You're not going to start charging to watch you right now? I'm always going to be streaming for free. I'm never going to charge people to watch my live streams. What kind of stammery is that, bro? That's just a dickhead move. I want people to learn from me, and not everybody can afford to pay to watch me stream. What was the one breakthrough that helped you the most outside of the mentor? In trading or in just life? I'll answer both. In trading, the one breakthrough that helped me the most, I would say discipline outside of trading. Becoming disciplined outside of trading plays into trading. And I'm going to tell you guys this now, like right now. 99% of you guys watching will be profitable right now if you just do what you say you would do. I bet you when the week starts, you're like, all right, I'm only going to risk this. I'm only going to do this. Once I lost, I'm off the charts. And then the week comes, you lose, you chase it, you blow your account. Right? For me, I've been trading the same model almost my whole trading career. I've only been starting to become profitable now. And the reason why behind that is because now I'm actually being smart with my money. That's it. If you do what you say you're going to do, you're going to be profitable. And it takes experience to do that. There's no going around about it. So just consistently show up and journal. Yo, back test, forward test, journal. Like, I don't do it as much anymore because I found my edge and I'm just rinsing. But for you guys, when I was in your position, 7 hours every day, all I thought about was trading. I didn't go to school. All I did is trading gym, trading gym, trading gym. I would journal. I'd watch ICT videos. I'd write notes. I'd back test through trades. Okay, I'll go to the gym. I'll come back. I'll do it again for another 3 hours. Like, you have to get into for 2 months. All I'm saying is 2 months. Get into some sort of mode and watch every single ICT video you can. Journal, everything, and then you'll just get into a flow state where the discipline aspect comes. What age did I start trading? 14. And then my number one breakthrough in life, I would say, is two things. One, cutting people off, surrounding yourself with important people, and not letting everybody have access to your time. You know, if you're gonna hang out with if you're hanging out with a friend and all they do is they want to do something fun, whenever you see them, you're gonna get distracted. You might not even see that you're getting distracted, but if all you do when you hang out with this person, oh, let's go drink, oh, let's go do this, oh, let's go do that, you're spending money and you're wasting time. My only friend was my mentors, and I lied. I have one really good friend, but he moved to Georgia for football. Other than that, all the people I'd hang around with, we would do work for fun. Like me and Nick, he'd come over and we would work for fun. I'm not even kidding. I'm out, brother. Thank you, Unknown. Have a great rest of your day. Awesome training session. Learned so much. Thank you, my man. I'll see you on the next stream. Have a great day. But yeah, we would just come over and have and just work for fun. And that sounds crazy, but just work for fun. We'd go to the gym. We'd go in 5 a.m. morning hill runs, hill sprints. If you go on my Twitter, you'll see me posting. There's a video of me and him running up a big hill at 5 in the morning, and I was puking. But yes, that sucks, but it's just fun, you know? When you find someone like that you can consistently work hard with, there's nothing better than that. You're in Georgia? Nice. Yeah, my friend moved there for football. He's actually coming back this week. He just won state state championship. So I think his team's like top 20 in the world, or in the nation. He plays at a football school called Rabin Gap. We're going to move higher now, to be honest. It's taking a while, but it's close. $740 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. You guys are insane. You guys are absolutely insane. As soon as we break above 690, it should move higher fast. 690. Oh, you're talking about these highs? Yeah. I'm just being conservative with my stop loss. It's up here. It's up here, actually. So, just being careful. I could get stopped in profit, but that's still a pretty big winning trade, if you ask me. I did the same thing when I was 22. I built my company and did very successful. Just recently sold the company, but oh, congratulations. But trading became a real passion for me 6 years ago, and I've just been nonstop. Yeah. Dude, once you start loving it, you'll never stop. Mentor played a big part for me too. 6 days of $200, 7 days of $200 now. Nice, my man. Listen, some people it takes 2 years, some people it takes 8 years. But if you tell yourself that you're going to be profitable and you're not going to quit until you are, then you're going to be profitable. Montreal gang. Hey, I'm going to Montreal next week, actually. November 29th. I'm going to Montreal for a week. Visit some family. I have some family there. I think it's near the Kirkland area, if you know where that is. So not like the heart of Montreal, but near the edges of it. We're finally moving up higher, though. Doing uni homework besides. Hey, in trading, always have something else to do. Because if you fully rely on trading, you're gonna get too emotional when you lose, and you're gonna blow stuff. You know what I mean? Yeah, J-Boy, you have the you have the, how do I say this, the personality of a profitable trader. So it's gonna happen eventually. Just keep going. You live near Kirkland? Hey, a lot of Montreal people in this chat, eh? Anybody go to Laval? What do you guys? Who do you guys are thinking gonna win the football game? Laval or Laurier? I hate uni, to be honest. Listen, I'm not in university, so I can't say, but I hate school. Laval versus Laurier. It's a national championship. Still in this trade. 740 subscribers. You guys are insane. Thank you so much. This thing is taking a while, dude. A lot of green candles, though. I'll tell you that now. A lot of green candles. But patience will pay. Patience pays, guys. I'm telling you that. Tell you that every stream. I'm really motivated to do some work right now. I'm writing down this in my journal right now. I'll tell you what I'm writing down. Stay patient. Be happy with any form of profits. All right, happy with any form of profits. Take profits only accordingly, not just because. Every move in trading needs to be calculated. Every move in trading needs to be calculated, right? Every single move you make in trading needs to be calculated. Price may chop now. It's 11:30 my time. It is 11:30 my time too, as you can see. Because I live in Toronto, but I think we're gonna continue up higher. It's been chopping, to be honest. We're so close to the previous day high, so. I'm gonna drag my stop loss. Where is that? 10:56. So currently my stop loss is here. I'm thinking on dragging it here. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, my stop loss is now there. Let me drag just a red little line or blue line to let me know where my stop is. It's below the 5-minute order block, so we're fine. I still think we're gonna rip up higher. Bro, how much would you risk on a 10K account if the maximum drawdown was 6%? 6%? 10K account? I'd risk like 0.5%. So yeah, 0.5% or 0. I'd risk 0.75%. 0.75% is good, or 1% to be honest. 6% drawdown is a lot. That gives you 6 losing trades. $740 subscribers, bro. You guys are, we're almost at 1,000. I can't even imagine what 1,000 subscribers is gonna look like under my own name. Like Benjamin's YouTube account, 1,000 subscribers. It's insane. I'm so excited for that to happen, man, because I know it's gonna happen eventually. Just gotta be patient, fellas. Ow, 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 ow. What is going on with my arm? been a ride. It sure has. Oh, come on, pick up some speed here, man. You deserve that, bro. So many gems in here. Thank you, my man. No worries, Jake. Hopefully. Hopefully. Only time will tell, guys. London High has been taken. It's almost, that's London High. We haven't taken London High yet. I'm going to drag my stop below that 5 minute. I'm dragging my stop loss here. And my stop loss is now at this low. You booked everything? Nice, Devraj. We all ate today, man. We all ate today. I got my hammer still. I don't know why I just randomly pulled out a hammer and said that. I'm actually so weird. I'm such a weird person. Feels great. Trade feels great, man. Can you explain consistency rule? Well, if you have a top step or consistency rule on a combine is if you're trading 50K, you can't make more than 50% of that account in one day. If you do, then you're going to have new type of rules for your account. It's all kind of stupid. But we are continuing up higher. What did we just trade into? 4-hour Sibi. We're approaching previous day high though. We are almost there. It took so long, but we are almost there. So glad you left forex. Yeah, same. I kind of want to drag my stop loss a little bit more. Just to secure a winning day. I already have a winning day, actually. It shouldn't go down there. It could, though. It could trade here and then still move up. My only worry is just like we just took London High. So I'm going to drag my stop loss. Stop loss is below here. The massive winning trade anyways though. Look at that, 4.6 RR guaranteed versus 7 RR. How much percentage did you say again? You can't make 50% of your account, 50% of your profit target. So if your profit target is 3K on a 50K, you can't make $1,500 in a day. You can't make more than that. It was a sniper, just like every day sitting through that chop was the key. Yeah. How do you deal with taxes and capital gains Canada? Well, funded accounts actually doesn't fall under capital gains. It falls under income tax. On terms of my investment portfolio, I trade my TFSA, which is a tax-free savings account, and then I have a high-interest savings account, which I don't really pay taxes on until I take my money out. So I don't really pay that many taxes on. I don't pay taxes on capital gains right now, but it is a really bad. Like all my money's in the markets and staying in the markets until I can either get a visa in the States to take it out there or something else. Because my dad is moving to the States. 740 subscribers. If you are new, please subscribe. It'll help me out. Also, check out Edgeful. Edgeful has a great product and it helped me become a better trader by a mile. The opening range gap logic too was used today. We're moving higher though, so that's a good look. Almost at take profit, fellas. Almost there. Then I can get off. Super slow price action. We sat through all of this today. But patience pays, fellas. But it feels impossible to make money in forex. Yeah, I haven't touched forex in a while, so, and I'm glad I didn't. I moved away from forex. We're almost at the previous day high. I just love winning trades, man. I love it. And it only comes if you manage your losses. Patience, patience, patience. I can't believe we're at 740 subscribers. We were literally just at 700 like Friday. Like, that's so crazy. You guys are insane. Buy side liquidity, fellas. We're going. We're going up there. Look at that shift in structure, man. It's just so clean. Look at that. Hello, high, lower, lower, higher, high. We're going to rip up higher, man. I should honestly leave a runner for like these highs up here for tomorrow, but I don't think we're going up there today. Just like NAS 100 is common sense. Yeah. Listen, the futures market is just so much better than forex right now. Forex used to be really good, but I feel like futures market has always been better. Bitcoin at 92.3. Dogecoin up 7%, almost at 50 cents, almost at an all-time high again. Wow. Look at that. That's insane, dude. That's insane. Imagine four times your money. Wow. Ethereum, Shiba Inu. I'm not in crypto, but that's crazy. Wow, MicroStrategy Incorporated is ripping up higher too. What's the heat map saying? Heat map's turning green. If you are new to watching the stream, please subscribe. It'll help me out. We're trying to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. And notifications on so you know when I'm streaming. I stream every single day I trade. Want to see price move up higher from here. I don't like how we're hanging around after taking London highs. I want to see previous day high take, and if it's not, we could possibly hit my stop and profit, which is still a big winning trade, but that's TP for me. Lovely day to the rest of y'all. Thanks for the stream, Ben. Hey, no worries, my man. I'm glad you you came to the stream and you ate. I'm glad that you got a win behind yourself. Congratulations on the win. We're probably going to get stopped out in profit here too because we took London highs and we're moving lower, but I'm still going to leave my runners for buy side liquidity. Thanks for stopping by, my man. This was a great past 3 streams have been amazing, right? Friday 10 RR win, yesterday Monday 9 RR win, and today 7 RR win. That is sick. What is that? 26 RR in 3 days. Oh, that is disgusting. That is disgusting, guys. Like, why? How, bro? I'm gonna head out now. Hey, thanks, Jake, for stopping by the stream, my man. Thank you, and take it easy. Have a nice day. Love from South Africa. Hey, South Africa is a beautiful place. Dude, find me another streamer that made 26 RR in 3 days on live stream. Find me another streamer right now. I am the most consistent, profitable trader on YouTube streaming right now. Every single day we're showing up to the charts and pulling the daily range out of our pockets. Finding the daily range in this trade and catching it and riding it all the way to take profit. I've passed 3 or 2 150K funded accounts on live stream, and I've accumulated another payout all on live stream. If you would have just copied the exact trades I take and the exact risk management, you would have had a payout already. Do you risk 0.5% when getting a new combine? 0.5%. Yeah, I do. 0.5. Are you doing the review today? I might not. Maybe. Because, maybe later. Because the stream went a little long. It's 2 hours and 30 minutes. It's taking a long time. I got people waiting for me. Can you come over right now? I'll go over this trade right now. Yeah, for sure. So I got on the charts and I ideally was first looking bearish because of this breaker, the SIBI, these 2 SIBIs. Once I saw a price disrespect the SIBI, disrespect this breaker and consolidate, right? We were consolidating here. I was like, okay, we should reverse here. We failed to displace lower, and then we displaced higher. We also respect consequent encroachment of the displacement. And then I was like, okay, that's a clear sign of we're going to move up higher. So I caught that long and right up the previous day high. Because if we're not going to go low from here, what is it going to go do? It's going to go to the previous day high and trade into this daily SIBI. Let's do it while we eat. Yep. Hopefully this trade can move up higher. We've been in this range for 15 minutes now. And I'm very tired. Amazing. This is the first time I've sat in your live feed. Are you here daily? JS, I'm on my other daily, I'm on my my channel. I'm David, by the way. I'm logging into my business account. Oh, how's it going, David? Yeah, so I'm usually on my personal account every single day I trade, but sometimes I stream on edgeful like I am right now. Oh,
Order filled.
all right. Stop and profit has been taken. You can see a displacement after taking London highs, so we're good. Probably are going to continue up higher because we traded into that BISI, but I'm happy with that, man. Let's look at this trade. London highs. Look at that, guys. Look at that trade, fellas. Beautiful. Beautiful long. It's on my Twitter. I don't think I'm allowed to send a link on this channel, so it's on my Twitter. Benjamin ICT. I'm not streaming. I'm streaming like on Thursday and Friday, but right now I'm on today and tomorrow I'm on edgeful. Damn, nice trade you took. 6 green 15-minute candles. Wow. S&T with that. Yes, yeah. How do you not get scared of all the wicks? It just comes with confidence in price action. I got stopped out. It's probably going to buy side, but I'm gonna lock myself out. All right, secured. A nice winning day today for another green profitable day in the books, which is nice. Other than that, I think that's pretty much it for me. What was the name? Benjamin ICT here. Benjamin _ ICT. That's pretty much it for me. I think I'm going to hop off, guys. I'm going to post some tweets, so stay tuned to that. I'm not going to do a daily review today. I have to get off. The stream's been almost 3 hours, so sorry about that. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on edgeful again. Thank you for another amazing stream. I'm so grateful for you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Take it easy. Have a nice day. Oh. Why can I not end stream? Have a nice day. Have a nice day, guys.